Hello everyone, it's Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a comparison between the Swiffer Deluxe 2-in-1. I got the mopping attachment on it, or it's called the wet pad. It's very wet. We're going to see how well it cleans up this muddy paw prints against the Swiffer Power Mop. So the Swiffer Deluxe 2-in-1 against the Swiffer Power Mop. Now the Power Mop, you do have to put two AA batteries in here. It does have a pump. You're going to have a solution bottle that you're going to have to put in here. And I've got the reusable pads on. So it does come with ones you can throw away, but I like these reusable ones. I can put this in the laundry and they're just held on with Velcro right here. So again, I do like the Power Mop for mopping. I got a button up here I'm gonna press and it's gonna spray solution out. Okay, that's super nice. Now these wet pads are very wet. Let's see how well it's gonna clean up this muddy mess now. It's gonna capture that mud. It does a great job. We can see on there, there's all the mud. Now, this is a scrubbing action right here. So if I want to scrub, I could scrub something right there. Now, I love the Power Mop. Again, I can spray some solution. Oh yeah, it's gonna clean it. I can spray some more, get the mop pad nice and wet. And then I can just go around and keep cleaning. I really do like the Power Mop. Then when I'm all done, again, reusable pad, throw this in the laundry. I'm going to be able to reuse it. Over here, I'm going to take that off and throw it away. Now, putting these on is a little tricky. You do get your hands kind of wet because they are super wet when you put them on. But with the 2-in-1 now, I'm going to show you, you can put a duster on it. Now, that's something the Power Mop cannot do. Here's kind of a close-up of the Deluxe model. Now, here's the dry pad. This is for dusting. That's going to capture dust. It will spread some dust around, but the theory is it has to capture it. And again, with the wet pad, you still have to press these in. And again, that's kind of wet when you're doing it. That's why you get a little messy. With the dry ones, it's not that big a deal. Okay, so now let's go dusting. Okay, so I can dust the floor. You know, it's not going to pick up a whole lot of dirt. You know, I could do the walls. I could dust up in the corners. I could do the baseboard, you know, and different things with duster. You know, here I can do a lot of dusting. Again, just general purpose dust. If you got a bunch of dirt and debris, it's not going to capture all that dirt and debris, but it does move real easy. Gets in the corners and you could clean doors. So something that the Power Mop doesn't do. In kind of a close-up, again, you got to put a solution bottle in. I do like these reusable pads. The solution sprays out when I press this trigger up here. It's very simple. This one you got to put the pads on are they drip a little bit when you put them on. So they're super wet, as you can see right here. And it did capture, but again, I'm going to be throwing this away. I like the reusable. A little bit different. If you're mainly just mopping, I do like the Power Mop. If I do need to do both dusting and mopping, then the Swiffer Deluxe is a great one to have. I hope this comparison video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.